Alright, we're on day 2 of the Jaguar repair and just fixing in general. So we had that massive, ridiculously loud clanking going on here. And so we're going to try and figure out what that exactly is today before I go really too deep into all of this stuff about the engine. So it could be pulleys, tensioners, it could be the oil is actually absolutely disgusting and the oil filter's clogged. It could be, worst case scenario, something with like the bearings or something like that. Don't think the transmission, because I had to drive it up the hill. It could be a number of things. Some with a pulley inside the supercharger as well. So there's a variety of things we're going to go off of. Oh, spark plugs and quarter packs as well, as far as going on. Or even fuel pump. So there's just so much we got to go through. So today, we're at least going to just go easy and just get the oil drained, see if we got any metal shavings. God forbid. And we can just go from there. So let's go ahead, get this car jacked up, and let it drain for a while. Going back here, and so we got the tools that we need. Got the torque bits here, a whole slew of them. So we got the TP and the T. So see what one fits, and we're good to go. Also, I'm gonna try the oil change here first. So got plenty of oil going on here. Castrol is what they recommend. It even has it on the cap. So I go with OEM recommended, and we're definitely in high mileage, and we need a lot of help. So this is like the step below the really like edge performance stuff. But the first oil change, it's just to get all the gunk out, all the goop, and so this is what we're going for. I got a high capacity Bosch filter. It's premium. You know, it does pretty good. I love Mobil 1. I will support them all the time. Bosch, no idea, but this should be definitely good enough for what we need right now. It's got, 99%. So I'm going to take that. It's going to be great. Probably better than what they have in it right now. So, no, I'm not affiliated at all. My question is, what is this about? A little fold-out kind of key. What kind of thing's going on here? Why was it underneath the engine like that? That's really my question. Okay, everyone, the mystery just goes deep. So, what we need to do is I have this torque bit head. So it looks like it's a TP25. So, that's what we have on here. I was able to go ahead and get the torque bits out right underneath here. Right here is where they are, and it connects all the way back here to that underbody cover, which covers up a lot of important things. You can see right there, lots of transmission stuff, axles, and we got the oil pan right here. I think we're right in access as well, so that's good. Up here, we had some screws, I think they were 8 or 10 millimeters up in there as well. So we just gotta get those out of the way. So we got a few more things, like right here, we got some torque bits as well, just to get this whole bottom tray. I want to get this off just to get it out of the way while we're working on it for all these coming weeks. Get this thing in tip-top shape. Here we go. Let's see. Yeah. Ooh, it's wet. Really wet. Ooh. Wow. It's really wet. Got my light cover. Wait for that. Okay. Just gonna put this somewhere else. Well, that seems easy. Really clean. Really clean. Alright, what kind of oil filter we got here? Maximum efficiency. Plug looks fine. Okay. Well, let's see what we can do here. This shouldn't be bad. Really hoping. So let's go ahead, get that drained now. Black gook. Really dark, so I'm thinking the oil filter's clogged. We may have a solution then to the noise. And we got one jug here full of oil, we got another jug full here of oil, we got another jug over here full of oil, filter draining, and we come over here, we're just still draining. So, pretty successful overall. As I showed you, we have some issues, but like, yeah, we're just draining. Alright, so for this job, I recommend, it's in a weird spot. Could do it with your hand, but it would start hurting my arm. So, I recommend this tool. Now, it like opens like this, so you get it around the oil filter, and then you pull on it and closes around, and it has these grips on there. This made really good work. It doesn't really work for like some cars, but most cars. My Acura TL, this Jag, it works really well. This helped me out a lot. And I just put a bar on the back here. It has like the smaller adapter, you can see right there. So I recommend doing that if you're gonna do a job like this. But as for now, the oil change, I'm gonna keep rolling on this. So, with this oil filter, what I'm going to do is we're going to cut this open. Once it drains enough, I'm going to cut it open, see what's inside, how gunked up it is, and see, hopefully not a lot of metal shavings, but see what we're really dealing with here, and to get down to the bottom of this, because I'm not giving up on this engine that easily. Okay, so here we go, everybody. I'm going to go ahead and open up the filter right now and just prepping the area for that just in case things get messy. So what we're really just trying to focus on here is open up the filter, see what's really inside, how gummed up it is, if there's any glitter or any metal shavings, anything like that to help us give us a better clue on how the actual engine condition is. Now, as you can see here, I'm using a bunch of random tools to actually get into the filter, which I do not recommend. This is definitely not a scientific method, but it's the only quick and easy way for me to actually get this open with pliers, a nail, a hammer, and some cutters for wire as well. But it takes a long time, but does the job. So we finally got it open for the bottom part, and if we start taking some of the filter apart, we can start to see that there may be more going on here than really meets the eye as we dig down into it. Check that out. We got some suspicious activity on the bottom of that metal right there. I don't know if you can see those big chunks and flakes really sitting on the bottom of the metal right there, but as we just saw that, we might as well just go right into the filter, see what that gives us. Now, it's a little shimmery from the oil, so we can't tell from this distance, but if we kind of scrape along there, you can see some goopy, gunky, shimmery glitter inside there. Not looking too good so far. And then there's I'm scraping the inside there, and then we got some more glop. But really, this kind of looks like stop leak for an engine. Kind of like the metal stuff they put in the engine to stop it leaking for like the engine oil or the antifreeze. So I wonder if that's what it could be. Okay, guys. Now I know there's some normal wear and tear, but we might have a lot. Well, guys, me and my puffy best code didn't really expect these results for the oil and oil filter this time around. But it's a good thing that we did find this, at least though, because now we have a better idea of which way we want to go and how we best want to proceed with this whole Jaguar build. And I'm just not going to take the car and be like, oh, it's got engine problems and everything like that, write it off, send it down the road. No, I might be a glutton for punishment on this one, but I really want to give it a better shot and trying to figure out what's really going on here. It could be something really serious, or it could be something really lame and small. I don't know. And also, it could be maybe someone added in some stop leak garbage into the engine. Who knows? What do you think? Write down in the comments below what you think it might be the issue for the engine. Stop leak, maybe some bearings, maybe some
other type of thing that you might think of that I might even not have discussed in this video. But one thing I do know for sure is that I want to go ahead and actually take an oil analysis of this oil that we just pulled out, and I'm going to go ahead and send it off to a laboratory to get tested and tell them what's going on and see what we can do. If we're spending a few bucks to get it sent off and get a better analysis and details of what's the engine condition actually like, I think that's well worth the money and time, because instead of spending thousands of dollars on the actual engine, we're spending like 30, and then you get the results in like a week. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Then also make sure you hit that subscribe just to be alert for when all these next ridiculous videos start coming out here on this Jaguar build. It's exciting, it's gonna be a lot of fun, and I hope you're still with me on this one, guys. So again, thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you next time. I'm Sam. Testing light. Goodbye.